Hey everyone, what's up? So today here in this video we have quite the project. This is probably going to work out to be a few videos, and here is why. We've got this RS Coupe in the back. We're going to completely 2005 STI swap it, and it has a lot of stuff to go along with it. We have both the GC and GD dash, GC, GD center consoles, the GC seats, the GD seats. Here's the car itself. It is a decent specimen. It has already been restored for the most part. We, however, did not do this, but it looks pretty good. Inside we have a slight tornado here and looks like some more GD STI seats. Got a slew of GC STI clusters, some prop shafts. Looks like 1, 2, 3 heater cores, tail lights, couple pedal sets, RS skirts. We have our RS carpet, our STI carpet. This looks like an STI gas tank. More pedal sets and assorted. Then we have bins on bins. Along with all the rest of the body panels, we have the hood here. Another nice bin tower. There's got to be a dozen bins there. Another scoop. More assorted parts. More assorted parts. An assortment of exhausts and a pretty funky looking spoiler. I'm not quite sure what this would have come off of or what brand it is, but it is definitely something pretty different. And last but not least, in the inventory we have 2 RS rear bumpers and 2 RS front ends. These have all been painted to match the car, so I guess they're going for a lifetime supply of replacement bumpers. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually put all of this stuff upstairs, organize it, and get down to just the car down here before I start to strategize how I'm going to go about this. I believe we do have the entire 2005 STI body harness, so that is the most straightforward way. I still need to clarify if we are going to use the STI dash or if we are going to retro mod the RS dash. So let's go ahead and get this stuff all organized, and we'll cut back after that with our game plan. So as you saw in the start, we have a massive project here with this old RS Coupe. The plan is to swap a complete 2005 STI into this car. Whole rear end, tank, harness, front subframe, all the control arms, the spindles, the whole harness, engine, transmission, and ECU. This is definitely a big undertaking. We're going to actually start with some of the more straightforward stuff, just to get it out of the way so we can start to build off of that. So here we have the whole 05 STI rear end. This is going to be our start point. We're going to go ahead, we'll fly around the car just to show you guys what we're working with to start. And then we are going to drop the whole rear end and get in all the 05 STI stuff. So it's tank, rear subframe, axles, R180. We're going to see if we can do the suspension. I know we'd have to swap the top hats. And then we have the rear control arms and the STI spindles. So next we have the actual car here. We'll bring it down and then we'll also bring it up and kind of show you what we have as a starting point. This is basically a bare rolling shell. Entering underneath of the car. This is the original RS front subframe, so that has to be removed to run a turbo engine because the up pipe will not clear there. We're gonna end up using the STI front control arms, rack, etc. Pretty much everything from the 2005 STI will be going into this. Prior to us receiving the car, someone had done a bit of a resto on the car. It appears in decent condition. They've painted the whole exterior of the car. We actually have all the rest of the remaining exterior parts upstairs to later assemble the car when we get to that point. Then here's our original rear end. All right, now we'll bring the car down and show you guys what we got going on the inside. With the top of the car, as you can see, it is very bare. The whole harness, all the HVAC stuff is out. And the interior is just a dash bar to hold the steering wheel, which it still is a rack, which has been convenient for moving it. Empty, empty. And then again, kind of partially assembled. It's missing the rear window. The rear trim here. Hopefully these are included in our pile because they're very hard to get. Something unique here. If you are a GC dude, do you see the unique feature here? Yep, that's it. Otherwise, this car's been here a couple months. It was undercover, but it still got staticked with dust. It wasn't necessarily like super clean, detailed when it came, but it is decent looking exterior body here. All right guys, so with that little intro there, we are ready to get into this. And with that being said, here we go.